How to delete any user account in your Windows 11 computer. So hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete any user in your Windows 11 PC. So in order to do this, you can do this either via the settings or the control panel. I would suggest you that you use the control panel for this operation. So the first thing that we need to do is head on to the control panel of our Windows 11 PC. So to head on to the control panel, simply drag your cursor towards the bottom of your screen, and when the search bar appears, simply search for control panel, and while you are typing you can see that under the best match the control panel might appear. So simply double click onto this control panel and the control panel application will open up. Now from here you can see this option of user accounts. So simply click onto this user accounts option, and under the user accounts it will give you another user accounts and credential manager option. So you need to again click onto this user accounts option. Then under the user accounts you can see that I have this particular user account under which I am currently logged in. So basically this is my default user account. So if you want to delete any another account, what you can do is simply click onto this manage another account option, and from here you will see all of the accounts that are currently active in your computer. So for example, I have this another account that goes by the name cat. So let me click onto this, and now I have a list of operations that I can perform on this particular user account. Now if I will see the last option in this list, I can see this option that says delete the account. So simply click onto this delete the account option, and from here it asks you, do you want to keep cat's files? So before you delete cat's account, Windows can automatically save the contents of cat's desktop and documents, favorite music, pictures and videos folders to a new folder called cat on your desktop. However, Windows cannot save cat's email messages and other settings. So basically it is asking if you want to keep all of the files which are present in the cat account. So if you want to keep the files, you need to click onto this keep files option, or if you don't want to keep any files, so simply click onto this delete files option. So I don't want any of the files from the cat user, so what I'm gonna do is simply click onto this delete files option, and from here it will ask you for a one and final confirmation which says, are you sure you want to delete cat's account? Windows will delete all of cat's files and then delete cat's account. So if you want to proceed, simply click onto this delete account button, and once you have clicked onto that, you can see that the cat account has now disappeared from this list, and that means that the cat account has been successfully deleted. So that's how easily you can delete any user account in your Windows 11 computer. So if this video was any helpful to you, consider giving it a like. Tell us in the comment how it went for you, or if you have any suggestions or questions to ask. And also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such exciting and helpful content. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.